Also a pretty good update. Look at that. No more dent. Besides, you know, I gotta put a new clip in that slot, but look at that. Nice and even. The flare touches perfectly, besides right here, because I need to get that clip. I'd be here poking, but yeah. No more dent. Good as new. Serious, hit my brother up. He does phenomenal work. And a very good price. Look at that. Remember how it was all caved in and busted up? Got that to fit. Yeah, amazing work. Soon, Tuxedo will be dent free besides the little one on the trunk. Hell yeah.